Hello, myself Bini. My registration number is JAV15CS203. Today I am going to explain you about how to do JavaScript. So I have taken some simple program to explain you, and as we all know that JavaScript is togetherly put under one script is put under a script tag, and so for that I have taken some 3-5 questions to explain you how to do this. First I will be creating table generator, BMI calculator, length converter, weight initiator. This is the order form. So simple forms we have going to create. So for that I have first going to explain you about the index file. I have index.html, how I made it. So first I have created this index file is simple, so that as we are clicking one by one images, then it will lead to another document HTML file. So first I will explain you about my CSS, what I have done. For the body I have taken as grey as a background color, and for the table the position is relative, and from the top it should be 140 pixel down and the height should be 90%. And then inside here in the table I have one class called my table and table. Inside that the margin should be left 135 pixel, width should be 80%, color white, background color this, font family, font size, everything. And for every row we have a height of 30 pixel, and for every nth child color should be black and the background color should be this, and for even it should be this, and for the anchor tag it should be this. So here we have our body session, and here we have a class my table, and inside that our table is there, and for every row first it will have a table generator class, table generator. With the first row, second, and as soon as we click on table generator, it will lead to this table generator HTML file. And then we have a BMI calculator. As we click on BMI calculator, it will lead to this. And then we have length converter, weight initiator, and this is the order form. Like that I have created the table, and as we click on this all, it will lead to different files. So first I will explain you about how I created the table generator form. For the table generator form, I have first initialized field set will be position, relative, top, this all. Body color will be this. So in this body I have created the script and inside the table. So function create table. So first I have created an object of I have taken one variable var body, which will be taking value from document.get element by tag name body. And here I am creating one element tbl and tbl body, like that. And this is our for loop. By using create element, we will create the element, means row will be created, and in that row we will create every cell, means every column is created. So as soon as we var row document dot create element, and then for loop is there for where b equal to 1, b less than or equal to j, b plus plus, and var equal to cell document dot create element, one row is created, and then where cell text equal to create text node, means the text node is created and we will write what all thing. Then cell dot append cell text. By this we will append all the cell and the text into the browser. Like this we have created. So from the user now I am going to take the input how many rows and numbers they want to print in the for the table. So like that I have created my table generator, and this are all the script functions. So next I will explain you how I have created BMI file. So for that I have taken a function calculate, where I equal to document.get element by id wgt value. Actually this I have enter your weight, and in that I have given the id as wgt, from where the user will enter the name, weight, and the height. For height I have given the id hgt. As soon as they enter the weight and height, it will be from here. By using this tag, it will take the input, and it will be assigned to this variable. And by this, we will calculate the BMI value, and we will display it in a span tag. It is down, and if we will check if a is less than 18, then it should print in type ID. It should print under weight. If it is greater than or equal to 25 and all, it should print. This is my BMI, and for the length converter I have created. First I will take the input from the data, means first value we will taken, and from next we will take from or to, means from meter to kilometer, kilometer to meter, like that. If we check what the user wants, whether it want to kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer. If they want meter to kilometer, then this formula will be this, and the answer will be printed in this. Else if kilometer to meter, then it will have this if, and the answer will be print in this ID. Else if they take meter, kilometer, kilometer, then it should simply print the value what they have written. Okay, so for that I have created enter the value. From the user, its ID is data, and from select I have I have created drop down button meter to kilometer, and for 2 I have created meter to kilometer. Again, by the user we will the user will create what they want. Then we have a pizza form. In the pizza form I have taken input from the user into the number of small pizza, medium pizza, large pizza, and if they want to give any tip, and I have what value, means 10, 15 or 20, I have given the value how much amount they want to give, and the calculate button is I have made, and as soon as we click the calculate button it will calculate it, and then we will take the input from the user how many small, medium and large pizza they want, and by this we will take which radio button they have clicked for the tip, and by this we will calculate the cost. And here we have 9% tax also on the cost, so by using tax also will be generated. If d equal to 10, means for the tip, if d equal to 10 we have, if d value is equal to 10, then the cost should be added with 10 rupees. If it's 15, then 15 rupees should be added. If it's 20 rupees should be added. Then by this it should be printed into the browser also what amount is the total, like that we have to print. Now I will run the file and show you how it is working. Yeah, first I will click the table generator, so it will leads to a table generator.html, and we will enter how many rows we want and how many columns we want. Please see this. So by this we can say 4 rows at the end, 5 columns they have generated. Okay, now I will go again back to this. Then I have taken BMI calculator. So let me enter my weight. It's 48, and the height should be in the meter, so like 1.5 something. Now I will get my BMI. So our BMI value is this, and our body type is normal. So I am normal. So I have length converter. So I will say it's 445. So I want it from kilometer to meter. So the value which I will get is 48,000. Yeah, it's right. Okay. Now I have my weight initiator. In that it will be changed into pounds. So I will enter 56. I want from pounds to kilogram. So I will calculate. So the value in the pounds, from pounds to kilogram, it will be this. So next is a pizza order form. Okay. So how many pizza I want? Let's say 5, and as I love pizza, so 3, and large pizza is okay 2. And I want to give the tip of 20 rupees. So calculate order. So it will total display the total amount is 2091. Thank you.